Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook and Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out to 20 nautical miles, including Axel Carlson Reef, La Valette, Manasquan Inlet, Ocean Gate, Seagirt Reef, Seaside Park, and Shark River Reef until 10:45 a.m. At 9:08 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater from 15 nautical miles north of Shark River Reef to 16 nautical miles west of Ocean Gate, or from 10 nautical miles west of Pine Beach, moving east at 25 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near over Seagirt Reef and Manasquan Inlet by 9:25 a.m. over Axel Carlson Reef by 9:30 a.m. over Ocean Gate and La Valette by 9:40 a.m. over Seaside Park by 9:45 a.m. over Shark River Reef by 9:50 a.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. Monday afternoon for northern Delaware and New Jersey and southeast Pennsylvania. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles.